from this to this. That is how it's supposed to sound. And I wanted to show you a couple things here with some of the problems that they have on some of the earlier wet sump engines. Variator rattle on this bank, and both banks will actually rattle when it's cold. Here's one on this side. And what happens with these is there's an oil feed. Oil will be lost as far as pressure, and the variator will rattle. Huge common problem on all the Maseratis from 2007 that have the wet sump. There's also dry sump engines that are a different problem, that the variators actually go out on them. This right here in particular has this weird rattle. So here's our end cap. This one already has a modification. I just completed this one, machined everything out, put the ports in like we need to, and we installed our oil check valves. The problem is when the check valves are missing on these, like this one, and the machining hasn't been done to get proper oil flow to this cap. It's actually more complex than you think. There's certain machine work that needs to be done. It's not just putting in a check valve and calling it a day. We do all this in-house. We don't send them out anywhere. We do a lot of these. The guys will just send this cap unit. We'll modify them. We actually check for scoring. We don't want excessive scoring between the cams. But this one is completely finished, so now I have to finish this one. The similar engine on the Ferrari California. Common issue, if your engine's rattling, and this is where the cap actually goes in. A bunch of work. You got to take apart a lot of things. The cowl has to get disassembled, but this will fix your problem that causes your engine to rattle. We still do these in-house as far as work on the cars themselves. If you prefer us to do the whole job, or you can send us the Vario caps, you can email us and we'll be able to provide that. Now, we don't provide any tech support, so if you want to tackle this on yourself, you may, but we do not help with any kind of technical info. So you're on your own there, guys. Sorry, due to liability, we cannot provide anything. But if you have this particular model, 2007 and up, just remember that's probably more than likely your cap. If you let it go for a long time, then you'll damage your variator itself. Okay, so now after repairs, that is how it's supposed to sound. Nice and smooth. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.